Hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
We are very happy because we are here today bringing a beautiful art project for you. We hope that you are doing a lot of eco-friendly projects at home.
Yes, and did you know that if you do your own toys at home, you're actually creating less garbage, less pollution, in the world, and you're helping the environment?
Yeah, that's right. So today we have a special project. It's a scary monster.
I wouldn't call it scary.
Okay, a silly monster.
Yeah, that's better.
We are gonna tell you how to do it, and you can use just the recycle stuff that you have at home. For example, the shampoo container or mayo container, etc.
I think that works, yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
We will need the following materials: scissors, a cutter, a recycled plastic bottle, recycled paper, masking tape, white glue, and acrylic paint.
Okay, we are ready?
Yeah.
Okay, start.
Yeah, where's the bottle?
Oh, where is the bottle?
Yeah, where's the...
You have the bottle.
Start.
No, you. Okay, production. Oh, here you see the product.
Alright,
okay, we're ready now.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do?
Oh yeah, now we're gonna cut right here. Now, we're gonna cut again right about here. Oh, now the last one's gonna be right here. So we're only going to be using these two parts of the bottle for the project.
And these two can be saved for another project. How's that? That will be the body of the monster?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
I forgot to mention in the beginning that you also need a small rectangular piece of cardboard. So you're gonna put it right here, and you're gonna stick it with tape. Now we put the cardboard here. We crumpled up a piece of paper like we showed you before. If you want, you can go back and watch it again. And then we put it here with masking tape. And now we're ready for the next step. So what's the next step, Orfe?
Now we are ready for paper mache.
If you don't know how to make this paper mache, then look at our previous video where we explain how to do it, and the link down below. Okay, so now we will basically paint our monster with any color that we want. So I chose dark blue, which is blue and black. Okay. And we paint like this.
That is so satisfying.
Kind of looks black, but you know.
I wanna paint also.
ready. So while the monster dries, we're gonna put it aside and we're gonna start working on the eyes. You're gonna take some cereal boxes, cut out the shape you want, then paint it any color you want. And then you leave it to dry. Okay, now we're gonna color the pupils. I choose like just some bright blue because to match the color of the monster. And I'm gonna color wherever I want. And next one.
Very nice.
Thank you. Like this. Okay, so now I just stuck the eyes with glue and here it is. Cool, right?
So cute.
Okay, but my fingerprints are all around it, so I think we need to repaint the fingerprints. English.
Oh, sorry, I was just speaking in Spanish. So he says, cookies, 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 cookies.
I don't think his voice sounds like that. So this is our finished monster. You can add all sorts of accessories on it that you want.
Yeah.
Like, for example, hats and stuff, and you can paint clothes on it.
So-
By the way,
Yes.
if you want it to appear like this, without the little legs, without the little 5 legs on it, we actually just used a different bottle. Like, we used paint bottles for this one. Also a paint bottle. Then we used like wool, I think. And for this one, just another paint bottle. If you want it without the 5 legs, just find a bottle without the 5 legs. And then instead of cutting the center out, if you want it tall like these ones, you just cut it like this without cutting the center out.
Yeah, for this project, you can use any kind of recycled container. So
Bottle.
Okay, bottle.
Yes. Did you know that according to the United Nations organization, the world produces approximately 300 million tons of plastic every year, and only 14% of it is actually recycled?
That is unbelievable. So let's change that, okay? Start doing your own toys at home and we will reduce all the pollution in the world. See you next time
Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.
and give it like. Ciao.
Bye.
I'm sorry. Bye. I said ciao.
Ay, esa parte no hay que decir no hay que seguir hablando en
Porque seguimos
inglés.
hablando, seguimos
No.